Hello, guys, and welcome to One Door HR again. In continuation to my earlier interview series, we are here with sample answer to another commonly asked question during the interview. So, any guesses which question we are going to cover today? Do comment in the comment section right now and let me check if your guesses are correct. In my earlier video, we have covered questions like tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and weaknesses. I have given its link in the cards above and the description box below. Do watch it after watching this video. Always remember, you cannot mug these answers. Understand the tip and the trick to answer it and learn to face the interview confidently. So, the question what we are going to cover today is why should we hire you? One of the trickiest questions asked in the interview to check your confidence and your competency, and also to check whether you are right cultural fit for them or no. Before we move further, if you are new to my channel, I request you to please click on the subscribe button below and there is a bell icon next to it. Please click on that as well so that you do not miss on any of my new videos. I am waiting. Please click. Thank you. Content of this video is made with my experience and study. We start with the standard way, which is giving you some tips and tricks followed by examples and statements to answer this question. Come, let us learn something and succeed with knowledge. Sell your skills. You need to sell your skills here. Do not sound very basic. Try to collaborate your unique skills together. For example, you might be good at selling skills, but if you combine it with people management skills, that will be a good hit combination. So try some permutation combination at your end for your skills. Highlight expertise you have as per the demand of the role. Any major achievement in your career which will contribute as a right fit for the desired role. For example, your education or any awards, trainings, workshop attended by you, etc., which suits best for this role, please highlight them. Narrate your relevant industry experience. Value addition. Explain what value addition you can get for the organization. Sound interesting. Don't be arrogant or don't be in a situation where you're begging for the job. Here you will be clearly compared with other candidates. So frame your sentences in such a way that you are creating a kind of interest for the interview. Sounding interesting does not mean that you have to create a story around it. Keep it concise. This question is mostly asked at the end of the interview. So don't again start narrating your resume here. For most important, do your research about the company in depth. Know what challenges they are facing and put up your countermeasures for few of them. Your talent is a solution to their problem. This is how you need to portray. I know you will agree. At times it happens that we realize that we are not so different than other candidates in the pipeline. So what we should do at this time? We need to show how passionate we are about the company. Before you go to the interview, go through all the social media posts so that you are updated with all the current events and affairs of the company. This shows your passion towards the company. Another tip I want to give you here is you can also create emotional connect. This emotional connect you can create by telling the interviewer how useful their products are, how good the products of the company are, why they are so different and unique, and why do you or the market prefer their product than their competitors. So this will create a kind of bonding, a kind of attachment. Relate answer to this question to job role. I keep on insisting on reading job description thoroughly so that you can keep on selling your skills during the course of the interview. Most important again, mock. That's the only key to be pit-pat and with your answer. Because if you forget it, you will sound ingenuine and you will know the consequences. We start with a statement example for experienced professional first, followed by the freshers. So the interviewer asks you, why should we hire you? And you say, I have all the relevant skills like pick up all the skills which are mentioned in the job description and experience that your company is looking for. It is not just my talent of being highest revenue contributor, but my interpersonal skills which help me to develop and maintain excellent relation with internal and external stakeholders. I recently studied on one of the social media that your company's not belt is always been a star performer and there are some gaps in the southern belt for which you are hiring right now. I will be highly obliged to be part of such fast growing team and will implement and learn some best practices to get the southern part too as a good revenue contributor. And to not to forget, it being my native will always have added advantage to manage the local market dynamics. So if you see the sentence, what are we highlighting? First, we're talking about the skills what we have as per the JD. Then whatever experience we are having, here the talent was the person is having the talent of being the highest contributor for its particular region. Then he's also having soft skills, which is people management skills. He's already done his homework for the company, which talks about the social media and which belt is performing well and the which belt is competing. What value addition you will get, you will implement the best practices. And what is the added advantage that you being the local person, you will be able to manage the market dynamics in a better way than the other candidates. Another sample answer I have for you. So the interviewer asks you, why should we hire you? You should say, you should certainly hire me. When I saw the job post on, you can mention the source here, which clearly states that you're looking not only for a project manager, but also for a person who is multitasking and also manages additional responsibility of vendor management, which is a very unique requirement. I realized with my combination experience with my earlier employers and proven conflict management, budgeting and time management skills makes me well equipped and the right fit to meet your requirement. So in this sentence also, everything whatever best we can cover, we have covered. Coming to the section for freshers of this video. As I've told you in one of my earlier videos, although a fresher is not having work experience, but they must have done a lot of projects in their curriculum. This is what they always need to sell, their experience, qualification, all the discovered skills during the tenure of the project. When a role is of a fresher, they aren't expecting you to have hands-on experience, but your attitude, urge to learn more, and your willingness to be part of the organization is what you need to sell. So here are a few statements for freshers to answer this question. You can start like this. I have just completed my education and do not have much practical experience. But just to highlight, I have done a project on social media pros and cons, which has helped me to do its root cause analysis and understand the practical side of it on live and digital market, which I'm sure will contribute to the organization's ongoing projects. I was also a performing leader of my students committee, which adds on to the natural leadership, good communication and people management skills in me, which I'm sure will evolve more under your guidance and in the right direction for your organization's growth. Coming to the second example of statement for freshers, you can always say, in my spare time during my university, I took many volunteer work, which included not only working for the welfare of the society, but I also learned new scripting in ABC language and launched students' online library app called Knowledge River, in which students were enabled to not only access online study material, but also help them to check the availability of a particular book in college library. This supportive nature and hunger to learn more is my strength, which I'm sure once blends with your organization, we both will be in a winning situation. That's how you crack it. Like my earlier videos, in this video I have given you just few examples to frame this answer. You have to frame it as per your real reason to hire you, depending upon your role and the JD. Don't forget that. Please help me to know in comment section below what is your answer to why should we hire you. Take that first step to build this answer. I'm very excited to read all of them. Do follow the interview series to face the interview confidently. Appearing interview is more important than cracking it. I leave you with this. Give a thought on that. I want your opinion on this as well. All the very best for your interviews. Thank you for your time. Please do visit us on www.onedoorhr.com and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Pinterest. And hey, I hope you have subscribed to my channel and liked this video as well. Thank you.